Phrase 1. Sink in. Meaning. 1. Lit. To sink, submerge, or descend into something. Example. How long will it take the water to sink in? It might take days for the oil to sink in, so you have time to clean it up. 2. Fig. For knowledge, to be understood. I pay careful attention to everything I hear in calculus class, but it usually doesn't sink in. Phrase 2. Fine someone for something. Meaning. To demand a monetary penalty from someone for having done something. Example. The agency fined our company for having the wrong kind of tank to store waste oil. The judge fined her for speeding. Phrase 3. Push someone or something about in something. Meaning. To propel someone or something about on wheels. Example. The nurse pushed around Aunt Mary in her wheelchair. Freddie pushed his brother about in the wagon. Phrase 4. Drive someone or an animal out. Meaning. To force or chase someone or an animal out of something or someplace. Example. We drove them all out of the country. We drove out the troublesome kids. Phrase 5. Get down to the nitty-gritty. Meaning. To get down to the basic facts. Example. If we could only get down to the nitty-gritty and stop wasting time. Stop messing around and get down to the nitty-gritty. Phrase 6. Have one's work cut out for one. Meaning. To have a large and difficult task prepared for one. Example. They sure have their work cut out for them, and it's going to be hard. There is a lot for Bob to do. He has his work cut out for him. Phrase 7. Within one's rights. Meaning. Acting legally in one's own interest. Example. You are not within your rights. I know I am within my rights when I make this request. Phrase 8. Bend over backwards to do something for someone. Meaning. To work very hard to accomplish something for someone. To go out of one's way. Example. I bent over backwards for you, and you showed no thanks. He will bend over backwards to help you. Phrase 9. Last-ditch effort. Meaning. A final effort. The last possible attempt. Example. I made one last-ditch effort to get her to stay. It was a last-ditch effort. I didn't expect it to work. Phrase 10. Mash something up. Meaning. To crush something into a paste or pieces. Example. Mash the potatoes up and put them in a bowl. Mash up the potatoes and serve them to our guests.